Hi everyone, this is Mahi from SiliconX in Berkeley, California. Today we are making a fresh batch of our Pidex 400, which is the bleed blocking primer in our silicone system. As you know, mostly silicone is applied in white color. That's why we tint the base material for the Pidex 400 because we want to make it easier for contractor when they are applying the SiliconX on top of our Pidex 400. Now I'm gonna show you the tinting process. Let's see. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship.